Hey everybody. So we have a Misfit box. I get this about every 2 weeks, and I've already started emptying it because it was too heavy to carry in from the porch, so I'd take those ice pack things out. They had several in there. So oh no, I got a broken zucchini. Guess I could cook that tonight. Here's the other one. They're good size this time. I got a 3-pound bag of, I think these are Fuji apples. Pretty sure they're Fuji. I got a 3-pound bag of russet potatoes. I got a box of Cheez-It Extra Toasty. I got a box of Fruit Loop Sweethearts. I assume those taste like Fruit Loops. I got some carrots. We have, I don't have to buy rubber bands with the produce. We've got 1 tomato, 2 tomato, we have a jar of natural Jif, a package of spinach gnocchi, a package of romaine hearts, and an individual watermelon. So I'm wanting to make a watermelon and steak salad. So that's what I'll be doing with the lettuce and the watermelon, a steak, some feta. So that is my produce. This was $30 for all of this right here. You have to spend a minimum of $30 to get it shipped. You can save $15. I can put that link down below. I'm not affiliated, and when you order, or if you order, you will also get the $15 discount to share. So if somebody uses your $15, then you can save $15. So I will put that down below if you want to try it, and then it'll just cost you the $15 instead of $30 to get it shipped. Oh. Holy cow. Let me get some scissors. They really sealed that. No wonder I couldn't carry the box. There's like 3 ice packs just in that bag. So this is my cold pack. I got a dozen free range organic eggs. Doesn't look like anything's broken. I got a bag of mozzarella. I got some fajita marinated chicken strips. We got a ball of fresh mozzarella. Gonna make some pizzas. We got some Vermont maple syrup breakfast sausage. And they will refund you for damaged produce. There's no problem at all. Just go to the website, click on your order, and report the damage. You just click on the item that was damaged, and they will refund for that. So they're very good about taking care of any issues that you have. I got another package of the baconed in pieces, and with the thicker pieces that I don't fry up for breakfast, I can as bacon bits. And then I got an organic yogurt, plain yogurt. That's what my husband likes, the Greek yogurt. And I guess that is it. So that is my Misfit order for 2 weeks, and we have the money. I will order in 2 weeks again. So that's where I get a lot of my produce. It doesn't come all crinkly and wrinkly and gross like at the grocery store these days. And if it does, like I said, you can report any issues. They don't question it. I mean, just be honest. And they will refund any issues that you have. They're very good about dealing with that. And a lot of times if you get on the site early enough, they have a 1 penny section where you can pick one item for a penny. So anyways, this is my Misfit order, and if you want to try it, I'll put that link to share down below. And like I said, if you order, you will also be able to do the same thing. So it's not an affiliation, it's just part of your membership, and you do not have to do this. It's not an auto ship program like other companies. You order if you want, when you want, what you want. You get to pick. So anyways, I hope you all are doing well. It's very hot here, and so you stay safe, you stay healthy, you stay cool, and I will see you all in the next video.